As someone working in the field of snake bites, it is terribly heartbreaking to see people die or suffer due to unscientific first aid or delay in treatment. The biggest problem is ignorance at all levels. Lack of preparedness is the real killer. Those around the snakebite patient do not know how to react. Many young doctors lack the knowledge to treat snake bites. This is why we have developed the Snakebite Assistant app. This is available on Play Store and Apple Store. It can be easily downloaded and used as a learning tool. It's an app developed by experts from multi-specialties, and it has something for everybody, whatever be your profile. The well laid out content helps you familiarize yourself with the venomous snakes found in your area. It details their behavior, habitat, and the factors relevant to avoid snake bites. Videos in 12 Indian languages can also be accessed to learn about snakebite, prevention, and management in case of snakebite. There is also a game to familiarize you with snakes, their behavior, and habitat. Engaging with this game can be an effective way to prevent snake bites. The Snakebite Assistant app is a training tool, easy to navigate by medical professionals for self-learning. It follows the logic of emergency medicine specific to envenoming. It systematically presents the line of treatment, starting with rapid clinical assessment. It details the symptoms and their management for specific snake bites, given that the big four are responsible for most envenomation. You can follow the logical steps right from the arrival of the snakebite patient to rapid assessment, efficient emergency care, and safe transfer to a healthcare facility with antivenom. The Snakebite Assistant app will also help you file your case studies systematically and efficiently without compromising patient confidentiality. If you are a medical student or a doctor and you are unsure of how to handle snakebite patients, the app will help you learn how to diagnose based on signs and symptoms. You can learn at your own pace and time. It will help you never to be unprepared for this grave medical capital of the world. That is our India. Let's all get together and save lives.